Tough shot, kick out, left you open, make a play. 3 ball, no, can't get it to go to the top. Can it go on the break? Got numbers, like I said, if you do it right, gotta pick your head up, down the lane. Nope, 1-on-4, not gonna get it done. Jump ball. Going down. 13-17, 3 and change to go. Still in the first half. Oh, excuse me, crossover. Nope, good defense still there. Tough shot at the kick out. Just you and him, nobody else around. It's just you and him. Pull up, count it, go count that. Bang. 7-point lead. Lead starting to get swollen up. Pause. 3:33 to go. 13-20. Memphis in the lead. Gotta answer back now. Don't get back down too much. Scared for the ISO. No, here comes the screen. Hot when he came in again. It's been a while since he scored a floater game. Count that. Tough shot. 15-20. 3 minutes to go.